Hello, and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library. Today, we are going to look at searching for a newspaper within PressReader. PressReader gives you access to many newspapers and magazines from around the world right from your computer. So here we are on the PressReader homepage. If you see the newspaper you are looking for on the home page, you can click it, and you will be taken to the most recent edition, with the option to read now. However, sometimes the newspaper we want is not on the home page. To find a particular newspaper or magazine, we start by clicking the search button, this little magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From here, we can type in the title of the newspaper we are looking for. It should pop up with the search results immediately, and you can click on the cover to be taken to the most recent edition, with the option to read now. You can click on an article to make it bigger and read to your heart's content.